Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my very first calligraphy tutorial. I am super excited to share this journey with you guys. Today, we are going to add a touch of luxury to our calligraphy by applying gold leaf. Here are some tips for the beginners. Before we start applying paint or glue, we should trace the calligraphy with the pencil first. This allows you to make adjustments and correct any mistakes easily before committing to paint. Always use a light erasable pencil to fix any mistake. Now, using a small calligraphy brush, carefully apply a thin layer of adhesive to the areas where you want the gold leaf to stick. Be very precise and patient as this is crucial for a clean result. And never apply the gold leaf right away. Let the adhesive become tacky. This usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes max. Now for the exciting part. Gently lay the gold leaf over the tacky adhesive. Use a soft brush to press it down and smooth it out. And don't worry if it looks messy, we'll clean it up in the next step. And once the gold leaf is securely in place, use a clean soft brush to gently remove the excess gold leaf, revealing your beautiful gilded calligraphy. Inspect your work for any missed spots and carefully patch it up if needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative adventures. Thanks for watching.